Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix Bluetooth audio delay issue on Android. Bluetooth audio delay can be annoying and confusing, especially when your headphones or speakers aren't responding properly just as you're about to listen to a sound or song. And here's a clear practical steps you can follow on most Android phones. First is to restart your Android phone to refresh the system connections. Then turn the Bluetooth off and wait a few seconds, then turn it on again. Make sure your Bluetooth and headphones or speaker are fully charged. Put your Bluetooth device closer to the phone to avoid interface. Open the settings on your Android phone, then tap the Bluetooth or connected devices. Find the connected Bluetooth device and tap the gear or settings icon. Disable HD audio or high quality audio. This can reduce latency if there's an option. Turn off unused Bluetooth devices nearby to reduce signal conflict. Now go to Settings, About Phone, then tap the build number 7 times to enable developer options if not enabled. Then open the developer options and scroll to Bluetooth audio codec. Change the codec to SBC or AAC if supported. These often have less delay. Then reconnect your Bluetooth device and test, and audio delay should be reduced. Extra helpful tips: some apps like YouTube or Netflix auto-sync audio, while games may not. Gaming needs low latency AirPods. Look for aptX, low latency support. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.